Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Domino here, Domino 7. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog. There's something I want to talk about that kind of bothered me. Okay, I know a lot of y'all done heard about it way before me. I just heard about it this morning. Okay, with a girl named Shanquella Robinson. Okay, I mean I heard about that. I saw the fight this morning. I'm like, this is too much. Lord have mercy. Oh my God! When I read about that, it hurted me to my heart bad. It hurted me bad, you know, especially listening to this father saying that he not gonna walk her down the aisle to get married and all that, and then her mom is heartbroken, crying and everything, you know. That was her precious daughter, you know. Lord have mercy. I I never thought I would cover something like this, you know, and talk about something like this on my show, you know. So the Domino 866 channel is not only about gaming, okay. It's about it's about news and facts too, okay. All right, so this video gonna go on all three of my channels, the Domino 7 Vlog channel and the Domino 7 Show channel. Okay, I mean that really upset me. Watching something like that, reading about something like that. May she rest in peace. You know, Shanquella. Uh, uh, I don't know if you ever watched my videos or not. You know, I doubt you did. You know, but 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 the thing is, ladies and gentlemen, I I'm a little speechless about this. You know, so-called friends. That wasn't friends at all. Honestly, that wasn't friends. They were enemies and rivals or whatever the hell he was. You know, I mean, a friend would not do that to y'all. You know what I'm saying? All right, listen to me real good, y'all. Okay, if a friend tell you that he or she want you to come on vacation to a party or here or there, y'all gotta be careful. Say no or say I'll check on it or whatever. I don't know, okay? Cause me, if I invite somebody to my house on a vacation, it wouldn't be no drama at all, okay? Like I say, if y'all like somebody, leave them alone, you know. I'm a little speechless. This is almost like compared to Kanika Jenkins' situation, you know. So just like what happened with Kanika Jenkins, them so-called friends didn't check on her or look for her or anything, you know. Okay, yeah, almost compared to Kanika Jenkins. I could be wrong about that, you know. So if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. This really hurts my nerves. This really hurts my nerves, you know. I mean, to do something like that to a friend, a so-called friend or whatever, you know. I'm like, well, what the hell? Yeah, I don't know what the hell they gonna say if they watching this video. So-called friends. Lord have mercy. And you know what? I think Shanquella was a sweetheart. You know, I never had a chance to meet her. I never met her a day in my life. I live here in New Orleans. Okay, so for somebody to do some evil, conniving, devious things like that, you know, Lord have mercy, and then want to lie and say she died from an alcohol poisoning. That's a bunch of bunk. You understand? It's a whole bunch of bunk. You know, and my condolence to her family. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And then her mom, she said that they had dinner together before she went to to a trip and stuff like that. You know, and she never thought it was going to be the last time she'll ever see her daughter. You know, this is ridiculous. You know, I don't have a daughter, you know what I'm saying, but I have a niece though, you know. So I mean, as an uncle and as a father, I'm not a father, but if somebody do something to my daughter or my niece, you know, or my cousin or whatever, yeah, I would I would be finding justice or probably taking matters in my own hands, you know, because you know here in New Orleans we sometimes we take things in our own hands, you know me being from New Orleans, you know, okay, all right, so that's all I'm gonna say, y'all. All I'm saying, Shanquella's family, if y'all watching this video, I want to say my condolence to y'all family. Okay, my condolence to y'all. To y'all family. I'm sorry to hear about what happened to your niece or daughter or whoever she is to you. Okay, niece, cousin, or sister or whatever. Okay, my condolence to you. Okay, whoever she is to you or whatever. All I'm gonna do is give my condolence. Okay, I'm sorry to hear about what happened. Okay, so and I hope y'all can get justice for Miss Shanquella. Okay, I hope y'all do because whoever that was, they need to be thrown in jail. Because if I was the judge and I look at a case like that, excuse me, I would throw the book at them. You know what I'm saying? I'll throw the book at them and sentence them life in prison. That's what they need, life in prison. You hear me? Okay, and let's see how it's gonna feel if some prisoners do something to them. You know, guess what? When you're in prison, can't take on five by yourself or 10 by yourself. You understand? I never been to jail, but I know how it is over there. You know, especially Angola. Okay, so and Alcatraz, if that prison still exists. Okay, all right. So that's all I got to say. My condolences. All right. God bless. All right.